friends. Hope you're keeping yourselves well and looking after yourselves.
Next stop,
And
Sandringham Way.
good morning to you all, and welcome to the channel, Jerkles Time Private Adventures. I hope you enjoy my videos here on the channel. Now, as you probably might have realised why I'm wearing my face mask. It's not because COVID's come back. It's due to the fact we're in the winter season. Everyone's getting colds and all kinds of stuff, allergy, etc. So to keep myself safe and protected, I'm going to wear my mask on the buses until like at least the new year. So I'd just rather be safe than sorry. So I hope you'll all understand this. Even though masks are not compulsory, then just a personal choice. But however, I am not taking any risks, etc. So wearing a mask will keep me protected even more. So we were, unfortunately, the 96 from Telford to Shrewsbury, that's been taken off for tomorrow due to the fact that Telford will be far too busy because of the Christmas hustle, the Christmas hustle, and of course there'll be a lot of people around, and I don't think it's going to be the way forward. So instead, I'll let you know what I'll be doing tomorrow. But if there's no videos, I can just always upload my pilot videos on this channel, Jerkles Time Private Adventures. So, as you probably know, a lot of people come down with flu this time of the year, because as you know, it's flu season. Like, I don't want to put myself at risk for Christmas, so I just want to keep myself protected and keeping myself healthy. But until then, guys, hope you all have a great day today, and please look after yourselves and take care. Thank you.